In this video, I want to show you how to select multiple features using select by attributes in ArcGIS. So in ArcGIS, I have this very feature, which is a bunch of polygons. If I right click and open the attributes table, in attributes table, you can see that I have these attributes and more importantly this gray code, which I have used to categorize it. And if you look at this total number of feature, we have about 2446 feature. Now in a situation where I want to select specific one using this gray code, how do I do it? So let me close this attributes table. Now to do that, come to selection, and here you can see select by attributes. If I click on that, it will open this select by attribute page. Here, to select multiple attributes, you need to enter a function, and the function is this. Click here and select the attribute you want to use to select. In this case, I want to select attributes 2, attribute 4, and attribute 11. So to do that, just double click here to enter it here, and we are going to use in. Click on in and open brackets. Then inside the brackets, come to get unique value. Click on it. It will bring all the unique value under that field. Now I want to select 2. I'll double click it, then put comma and select the next one you want to select. Double click it and put comma, then choose the next attribute you want to select. In this case, I want to select 11. I'll double click it. You can see that from this field or attribute, I want to select attribute 2, attribute 4, and 11. So after you have entered it like this, click on apply. Yes, you can see that it has selected all the attributes I specify here. If you want to verify the attribute that has been selected, you can close this page and then right click here and open the attribute table. You can see that 11 has been selected, 2 has been selected, and also 4 has been selected. So as many attributes we specify, they were the one that was selected. So this is how to select multiple attributes or multiple feature using select by attributes in ArcGIS. Thank you for watching.